Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the management requirements outlined in ISO 17025, the international standard for testing and calibration laboratories. These requirements form the foundation of our laboratory's quality management system, QMS, and are essential for ensuring the effective operation and continual improvement of laboratory processes. Quality Management System (QMS). A quality management system (QMS) is a set of policies, procedures, and processes established to ensure that products and services consistently meet customer and regulatory requirements. In the context of ISO 17025, the QMS provides the framework for managing laboratory operations and demonstrating compliance with the standards requirements. Key elements of the QMS. Organizational structure. Define the laboratory's organizational structure, roles, responsibilities, and authorities to ensure clear lines of communication and accountability. Document control. Establish procedures for the creation, review, approval, distribution, and control of documents to ensure that only current and relevant documents are used in laboratory operations. Management review. Conduct periodic management reviews to evaluate the effectiveness of the QMS, identify opportunities for improvement, and ensure alignment with the laboratory's strategic objectives. Internal audits. Conduct regular internal audits to assess compliance with ISO 17025 requirements, identify non-conformities, and implement corrective and preventive actions. Documented procedures. Develop documented procedures for key processes such as sample handling, testing, calibration, equipment maintenance, and personnel training to ensure consistency and reliability of results. Management responsibility. Commitment to quality. Top management must demonstrate leadership and commitment to quality by establishing a quality policy, setting quality objectives, and ensuring that the QMS is implemented and maintained throughout the organization. Resource management. Top management is responsible for providing adequate resources, including personnel, facilities, equipment, and infrastructure to support the effective operation of the laboratory and the implementation of the QMS. Customer focus. The laboratory must be committed to meeting customer requirements and enhancing customer satisfaction by delivering reliable, accurate, and timely testing and calibration services. Continual improvement. Top management must promote a culture of continual improvement by encouraging innovation, learning, and the adoption of best practices to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of laboratory operations. In conclusion, the management requirements of ISO 17025 provide the framework for establishing and maintaining a robust quality management system in testing and calibration laboratories. By adhering to these requirements, laboratories can demonstrate their commitment to quality, ensure the reliability and accuracy of their results, and continually improve their operations to meet the evolving needs of customers and stakeholders. Thank you for your attention. I encourage you to explore further resources and engage to discussions to deepen your understanding of the management requirements of ISO 17025. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.